Folks, Joe here from JSS Irrigation, and I got some exciting news to share for you. JSS Irrigation is now going to be powered by Jay Irrigation and being rebranded as Jay Irrigation Golden Horseshoe. It was a carefully planned move, and it's a big move for us in our next chapter. Well, it'll be the same crew that you're normally used to seeing. We're now going to be rolling around in Jay branded trucks. With Jay backing us, we now have a full office support. So expect smoother bookings, quicker responses, and a 24-hour line that make your life easier. But wait, there's more. We now have a full dedicated sales staff along with a designer. The team here is pumped for what's ahead, and we're excited to bring even more value. See you on site soon.